Hi, I'm Alan Chan, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on how to add an anonymous screen in Blender. So quickly open Blender. Um, so first of all, go to one of the corner, this corner, or this corner, or this corner, or this corner, and maybe this corner. Left mouse click, go to um, top, bottom, or left or right. So when you left or right, looks better since horizontal screen, more longer width. Uh, and so that's how it works. And maybe here, and then how to mommy's. That's how to add screen. Mommy screen is when you see this icon in the mouse. Right mouse click and join area. Uh, on left mouse click and one other screen to join Mamis. Same thing down here. Right mouse click, left mouse click, join area. So that's how it works to add a Mamis screen in Blender. So thank you. See ya.